It's the question being asked more and more.
I want to know, where the heck is Doug Ford?
The Premier's been mostly out of sight since July 30th, except for a tour of Northern Ontario last week, where his schedule was not given in advance. The video later showed up on social media. Plans to reveal a vaccine passport or certificate have been delayed, even though it was supposed to come out today.
And that's why we need the Premier to come out of hiding and act decisively.
Cancelled too the weekly COVID-19 briefing by the province's chief medical officer, Kieran Moore. A health ministry statement said it was cancelled at Moore's request due to the government's ongoing work on a proof of vaccination certificate.
Experts told us that we need a vaccine certificate now. But the Premier continues his delays and his dithering.
The Premier is not on vacation. In fact, he's the star attraction at a PC Party fundraising event tonight, along with 3 other cabinet ministers. Price of admission, $1,650 a person. But the location of that event, like other fundraisers in the last year, is a secret. Premier's office said we should ask the PC Party for answers about the event, so we did and got no response. The Premier still hasn't answered any questions about the party's fake invoice fundraising scheme, telling past donors they owed hundreds of dollars when really they were just asking for a contribution. Earlier this month, the party's finance chair said this when we staked out the hallway at their offices.
Will not happen again. I apologize to all my donors. And
who's losing their job or their contract over this?
Everyone. These are internal matters. I'll talk to you later.
But the leader of the party, Doug Ford, still isn't talking about that scandal or other issues.
I guess we could have a conversation if anybody can find the guy, but nobody can find the guy. So hopefully he gets in here soon and starts acting like a premier.
We're live in Etobicoke outside PC Party headquarters. In addition to calling the party and the Premier's office, I contacted the offices of each of those cabinet ministers in attendance at that donor event tonight to find out where is the event, could we come and ask questions, and we of course got no answer. The Premier and those cabinet ministers though are talking to donors prepared to shell out that $1,650, but as for questions that you might be asking about back to school, for example, questions that involve millions of people in this province, well, you're just going to have to wait until the Premier and others decide that they're ready to talk to you.